Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to check any open requirement for Payoneer Verification Center. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now you see arrow, so click on it and then you see all detail and then you see setting, so click on it. Now setting open and then you see multiple option and then you see verification center, so again click on it. So we are in verification center and then you see open items history, so no open requirement and then click on history. Now you see requirement, date requested, date submitted, status approved. Now back to open items. So if you have any open requirement for verification center for Payoneer, so you can fill the form and submit. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.